Hi, welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can install JDK on macOS. Now, we have a couple of options. One is to download the installation file from the Oracle. Other option is we can use Homebrew to install JDK. Now, for this video, I'm going to use Homebrew. First, go into the Homebrew site and copy this command. Then execute it in the terminal. Now I'm not going to do that because I already installed Homebrew. Then we have to search the available JDK versions. Brew, search JDK. So for this video, I'm going to install JDK 8. So these are the available JDK versions. As you can see, I already installed Adapt OpenJDK 40. So I'm going to install OpenJDK 8. Now, this is not a normal brew. We can't execute the normal brew install command because this is actually cask. So this is a cask is basically extension for brew. So we have to execute brew cask install adapt open JDK 8. Now we finished installing Java 8. Right. Now we have two versions of Java JDKs installed in my machine. So we can see the current Java version by executing java minus version command. So if you want to get the all the available installed Java versions, you can execute this command. It lists all the installed Java versions. Now, if you want to select a specific version, if you want to change the current version, Java version, then you have to change the value change the value for Java home environment variable. So you can do this by executing this command export Java home. Then you have to set the Java version. So here I'm going to change the Java version to 1.8. Now when I check the Java version, it is Java 1.8.